Well, Chief Minister Congrats Sangma has said that probe is underway into the death of 6 labourers at an alleged illegal coal mine in East Jaintia Hills. And speaking to media person, Sangma also informed that over 17 persons have been picked up in connection with the incident. So, viewers, Chief Minister Congrats Sangma has said that probe is underway into the death of 6 labourers at an alleged illegal coal mine in East Jaintia Hills. And speaking to media person, Sangma also informed that over 17 persons have been picked up in connection with the incident.
In fact, we've lodged an FIR, and already we're going to put up an inquiry into this matter. And the entire full report has not come. There are more than 17 people have been picked up by the police to be interrogated and find out more details of what happened. So some people are still on the move, but I've been actually quite busy today with the HM, so I could not get the report as of now. So I think the Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, will be in a better position to give that. But this was the last report that I received, which was early morning, that this is the status. So some people have been picked up, and they are interrogating them on how this happened and why this happened. And from the government side, we have already filed a FIR, and an inquiry will be set up. See, there are laws that are put in place for everything. There is Section 302 that is put up for murder. But obviously murder takes place, and that's why these rules are there to catch the people who then commit the crime. So similarly, there are laws put in place for anybody who does illegal mining, and the MMDR Act is very, very strong about it, and there is a 5-year imprisonment, in fact, in this, and therefore these rules and laws are made. So therefore, if anybody is conducting illegal mining, is involved in illegal mining, the government will take very strict action against those people. As I said, the action that has been done by the individuals who are involved in this, the action that has been done by the owners of the land, their inquiry is being done. And as I said, as per law, action will be taken against anybody who is involved in illegal activity, especially the illegal mining that is taking, if that is there, action will be taken as per law.
So, viewers, as you've heard that Chief Minister Congrats Sangma, he very clearly mentioned that probe is underway into the death of 6 labourers at an alleged illegal coal mine in East Jaintia Hills. And speaking to media person, Sangma also informed that over 17 persons have been picked up in connection with the incident. And you can see on your screens, these are Northeast Live exclusive visuals. You can see the bodies of the deceased have been handed over to their relatives.